Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited for today's video because Coach is officially announcing that they are adding the Tabby 26 to their made-to-order lineup. If you are not familiar with the made-to-order lineup, stick around and I'll explain a little bit more here. But before we get into that, if you are new here, hello, I am Ralph by Design. I do unboxing, bag-related content here on my YouTube channel and over on my Instagram. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing here and following me on over on Instagram. Both are at Ralph by Design, and without any further ado, let's get into this video. Let's get straight into it. Coach is adding a new bag to their made-to-order program. If you are not familiar with the made-to-order program, Coach will custom make a bag specifically for you. You order it with the types of leathers, the colors, the finishes that you want. It was previously only on the Rogue, different sizes, but now they are adding the Tabby 26, the new Tabby 26. It's very exciting that they're finally adding a new bag to it. So let's go over some things. First, if you guys are not familiar with any of the swatches, any types of the leathers, how the system works, go ahead and click either here or here. I'm going to insert my Coach customization video. Go ahead and click that, watch it. It's going to have all the swatches of the leathers, the types of leathers, the colors, the finishes, exotics, pins, patches. All that good stuff is in that video there. You can go over everything a little bit more thoroughly. Coach is keeping the same types of materials that they have for the Rogue that they will implement on the Tabby 26. It will start at $525 to $575 depending on which C clasp you choose. So they will have a couple options, of course, the leather covered, and then they also will have the pave stones. The things that they will offer to customize the color panels will be as followed. It will be the flap, this front pocket here, the gussets, the straps, of course, the back pocket, the hardware, and the lining on the inside. The C-lock is interchangeable. It's going to be $30 to $50 to swap that out to another C-lock that you do prefer. That's actually a really nice thing though, because these can wear out. If it's a dark hardware, it could chip, whatnot. You could swap it out for another. If you want to do it in store, it's only 7 locations that they're launching with right now. So if you want to do the made to order Tabby, it's only going to be at 7 locations. All the locations are going to be available online. You can pick your closest one, or like I said, you can work directly with an SA at one of those locations. So starting March 9th, Coach is going to be launching the made-to-order Tabby 26. I'm not 100% certain if right away they're going to have it available online for it, but definitely in store in select locations, one of them being the Coach Soho location in New York City. I work with Vidal. He's a great Coach craftsman. He can help you out with all your customizations to bags that we are going to be going over. They're adding more. And also doing any of your made-to-order Rogues and Tabby 26s. I'll insert his Instagram handle here. It is Big Apple Rexy. His name is Vidal. If you guys have any questions, if you guys want to customize any of your bags, if you want to build your own made-to-order bag, go ahead and message him on Instagram. So not only is Coach introducing the made-to-order Tabby 26s, but they are adding new customizations to it. Coach is reintroducing some customizations back into their Coach Create lineup that they used to do exclusively on the Tabby 26. So what they will be adding back to this will be whipstitch. If you're not familiar with whipstitch, go ahead and check out this picture here. Essentially, they make some incisions around the border of your Tabby, and they lace through leather laces in the pattern that you would like. Not too sure yet what color leathers they will have available for that, but I'm excited that they are bringing that back so you can customize the edges with whatever whip stitch that you would like. And not only are they bringing whipstitch back, but they are also bringing back prairie rivets. If you are not familiar with prairie rivets, I will insert a picture here as well. They can do the border prairie rivets that go all the way around here. It looks so, so cute. These customizations of the prairie rivets and the whipstitch will only be reintroduced to the Tabby 26s, you guys. So if you want to get that done, it's only on the Tabby 26 as of now. Who knows, maybe in the future they might change it, but exclusively right now, they're only doing it on the Tabby 26. This also includes tabbies that you already own. So if this is something you want to get done on your tabby that you have now, you can send it into a location like Soho. They will customize it for you exactly how you want and ship it back to you. No additional purchase necessary. All you have to pay for is those customization pieces and whatever you choose, pins, patches, prairie rivets, whip stitch. You just pay for that customization and they will get it done for you and send it back to you. Or if you are curious about a new Tabby 26, here is my hack for it. Some of you may not know that if you are a Coach Insider, which is totally free, you get $125 worth of customizations totally free. If you are not a Coach Insider, click that link down below in the description box. It is totally free and you just sign up, you make an account, and with your purchase of a new bag, you can use that $125 customization for any bag with any new bag purchase. So pick up a new bag, sign up for your Coach Insiders, and get that free customization done either in store or online. You can do them both. But my trick, if you want a new Tabby 26, if you want the prairie rivets, or if you want the whip stitching, pick up a new Tabby 26 through either Liddell or your favorite sales associate that does customizations, and customize to your heart's content. Up to $125 is free. Then after that, you just pay the difference and you have a new customized tabby. The prairie rivets is going to cost you $20. The border stones, they're also reintroducing as well. The border stones are rivets that have semi-precious stones in them. They're bringing that back as well for $55. The whip stitch will be $40 and the patches will be $20. Coach is introducing the new made to order Tabby 26 at 7 locations, the Soho location being one of them. And the customizations for the tabby, like the prairie rivets and the whip stitch, will only be at 3 locations. Soho also being one of those locations. The Soho location will also be offering Reloved pillow tabbies. So if you guys are familiar with the Reloved bags, they will be offering the pillow tabbies in store at Soho. And Coach House, also New York City, and Michigan Avenue in Chicago, will be adding the Reloved Tabby 26s and Tabby Clutch and Soft Tabby to their in-store lineup. So if you want to check out these Reloveds before you purchase them, I hope all this information will help guide you through your made-to-order Tabby 26 or customization process. It's a very exciting thing. If you guys do customize your tabby or get a made-to-order tabby, I would love to see it. Post something on Instagram, tag me in it, or send me a DM directly. I would love to see what you guys come up with. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And don't forget, stay extra out there. Bye.